Ready to upgrade your toolkit in 2025? In this video, we're counting down the 5 best cordless electric drills that combine cutting-edge features with unbeatable performance. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just getting started, these top picks are built to tackle any task with ease. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links down in the description. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started with the video. First product on our list, Dewalt DCF 850 Cordless Electric Drill. The Dewalt DCF 850 Cordless Impact Screwdriver is an essential tool for professionals and serious DIYers. Powered by a 20-volt rechargeable battery, it delivers reliable performance with long-lasting power. Whether you're drilling, driving screws, or tackling tough materials, this tool won't let you down. With a rated torque of 205 Nm, the DCF 850 offers impressive power, making it ideal for heavy-duty tasks. The brushless motor improves efficiency and reduces wear, ensuring durability and longer life. The no-load speed of 3,300 RPM provides fast, smooth operation, while its lightweight design, only 1.5 kilograms, allows for easy handling and maneuverability. Compact yet powerful, it can easily reach tight spaces. Perfect for commercial manufacturing and other demanding applications, the Dewalt DCF 850 is a versatile high-performance tool for professionals who need power and precision. Second product on our list, Makita DDF487 Electric Drill Driver. The Makita DDF487 18-volt cordless brushless electric drill driver is an exceptional tool for home DIY projects. With its 18-volt power, it offers high efficiency and consistent performance. The brushless motor ensures longer life and more torque while minimizing wear and tear. This drill features a no-load speed of 1,600 RPM, offering excellent control for various applications like drilling into wood, metal, and plastic. The 400 watts rated input power provides the strength needed for tough tasks. Weighing only 1.1 kilograms, the Makita DDF487 is lightweight, making it easy to handle for extended periods. Its compact design allows for working in tight spaces with precision. For DIYers looking for power, durability, and control, the Makita DDF487 cordless drill is a must-have tool for any toolkit. Third product on our list, Gisam Cordless Impact Drill. The Gisam 21-volt cordless impact drill is a powerful, versatile tool designed for home DIY projects. It runs on an 18V lithium-ion battery, ensuring long-lasting power and fast recharging for continuous work. The brushed motor offers consistent performance, even on tough tasks. With a maximum drilling diameter of 10 mm, this drill is perfect for drilling into wood, metal, and plastic. The impact drill function adds extra power, making it ideal for tougher materials. Its mini wireless hand drill design makes it lightweight and easy to maneuver, especially in tight spaces. Weighing just the right amount, it's comfortable to use for extended periods. Whether you're assembling furniture or drilling through tougher materials, this drill can handle it all. Perfect for both beginners and experienced DIYers, the Gisam 21-volt cordless impact drill is a reliable addition to any toolkit. Fourth product on our list, DEKO 20-volt cordless drill. The DEKO 20-volt cordless drill is a must-have tool for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. With 2 variable speeds, 0350/0-1350 RPM, and 18+1 torque settings, it provides exceptional control for a wide range of materials, including wood, metal, ceramics, and plastic. This drill features a 20-volt 1.5 Ah lithium-ion battery for consistent power, and it comes with a charger for convenient recharging. At just 2.5 pounds, the drill is lightweight and portable, ensuring ease of use during long sessions. The DEKO drill set includes everything you need: a magnetic bit holder, 10 drill bits, screwdriver bits, nut drivers, and more, making it a complete package. Whether you're drilling or driving screws, this tool offers versatility and convenience. For reliability and performance, the DEKO 20-volt cordless drill is a great addition to any toolkit. Fifth product on our list, LYUWO LW8012 Cordless Drill. The LYUWO LW8012 cordless drill is designed for serious performance in a compact form. With a rated torque of 40 Nm, it's ideal for demanding tasks across wood, steel, and ceramic surfaces. This drill features 25+1 torque settings, offering precise control for various applications. Whether you're drilling or driving screws, it adapts quickly to your needs. The 2-gear speed function lets you switch between high speed and high torque for greater efficiency. Weighing just 1.39 kilograms, it's lightweight yet powerful. The keyless chuck ensures fast bit changes, saving time on the job. Plus, it runs on a 12-volt battery, delivering consistent power without the hassle of cords. Built with a 230 watts input power and operating at 50 to 60 Hz, it's perfect for both DIYers and professionals. The LW8012 stands out with its versatility, ergonomic design, and smooth performance, making it a smart addition to any toolkit.